Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed as yet, please do just click the subscribe button below. Yes, I'm wearing a hairnet. That's because today I am coming to you from my mommy's kitchen, and today we'll be showing you, well, my mom will be showing you how she does her Dhalpuri skin and how it is prepared. I will leave the ingredients in the description below, so if you're interested in trying it at home yourself, feel free to do so. This is the dal that we will be using for the Dhalpuri, and it's just basically boiled peas, and then we grind it, and then we just add a little salt and a little Geera, and this is what we're going to be using to fill the dough for the Dhalpuri. Right, and this is the flour here, guys, and this is a half a pound of flour. So we're going to add the ingredients now. So it's 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a tablespoon of salt. You mix it together, make sure everything is evenly distributed. I just transferred it to a different bowl, a stainless steel bowl. Just have some water set aside and you add gradually. And now it's time to knead. And this amount of dough will give you approximately 3 Dhalpuri roti. So this is how it looks after finished kneading. So now we're just going to separate it into the 3 dough and leave it to set for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we're going to fill it with dal. So we're now separating the dough into 3, and you just want to roll it, kind of fold it in. Alright, and this is your 3 dough, and you're just setting it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. It's been 10 to 15 minutes, guys, and this is how the dough looks. And now we're going to fill it with the dal. And this is how you fill the roti. You press out the edges and you keep mostly in the middle thick, so that when you press in the dal into the dough, it wouldn't burst the flour. And that's it. That is 1 Dhalpuri skin. So after 10 minutes of setting, she go in and press it out and make sure that the dal distribute properly inside the dough. And this would be the average size of a small Dhalpuri skin. And when you're rolling out, make sure to get the edges so it wouldn't be fat and clumpy with flour. And the dal will be distributed evenly throughout the roti. And it takes like about approximately 1 to 2 minutes for the roti to actually cook. And she just spread in some oil so the roti wouldn't be too dry, it will be moist. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe. If you've tried the recipe to my Dhalpuri skin, then please leave a comment below and let me know how it came out for you. And see you in my next video. Bye.